In just a moment, I am gonna show you how we can watch simple videos on YouTube and earn a lot of money. As you can see here, $98, $5, even up to $600, and this is the payment proof that you could be receiving starting today. And you don't need any experience, you don't need any skill, you don't have to create your own videos. The best part is this is 100% free. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and this is available worldwide, it doesn't matter where you're coming from. So make sure you keep watching all the way on to the end. But before we go further, subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I release a new video that can help you make money online. You have to use this website right here, which is Shortener.com. You can see the link on the screen. And this is exactly how all the people right here, they are making big money online. As you can see, $696, $90, even $500. And down there are few hundred pages on this website, paying people to watch videos. And you can simply use the power of YouTube videos and make money, just like this. Real quick, I am gonna do it live for you. As you can see here, this is Shortener.com website. And you just have to click on get started, and then this page will appear. So, I am gonna put in my username, my email, my password, and just click on this. I agree to the terms and condition and click on register. As you can see, once you click on the register button, they're gonna show this message. Your account has been created, please check your email inbox to actually activate your account. I just received this email from the website. And then, I have to click on this link, right here, to actually activate my account. Now next, as you can see, your account has been activated. So, what you have to do is go on and click on this dashboard on the top right hand corner. This is a brand new account that I just created. So next, what I want you to do is to go on to YouTube. And then type in a keyword, which is how to make pancakes. See, you're gonna find here so many videos on YouTube. This one with 21 million views, as you can see here. Next one with 10 million views. So, I am going to show you a real life example on exactly how to do this. I want you to click on this video and you can see here how to make easy pancakes with 21 million views. This is actually the long URL link to these YouTube videos. So, I will highlight this link and just click on copy. We copy this link, and then I want you to come to the Shortener.com. On the dashboards, click on this new shortened link. You can actually paste the YouTube URL link right here. Right here, for the domain, make sure you don't change any settings of this. And then finally, click on shorten. As you can see, this is the shortened links that you get once you click on the shorten button. You can see here, the original link is very long, but after, it become much more shorter. And then every single time, when you share this link to other people, and then, when they click on the link, they're gonna go on and watch this video. Paid, depending on who are watching your video. Say for example, if people from Greenland click on your link, and they watch your videos, you get paid $21.50. If people from the United States click on your link, and you're gonna earn $12. There's so many people in the world, when they click on your link, you are going to make money. This is a brand new opportunity for you to make money online. The next question is, how can we actually share this to other people? I want you to go to google.com and type in a keyword, which is cooking for me, cooking for them. Right here, you can find many big forums that people are interested in learning about cooking, learning about how to cook pancakes, and so on. When I click on this link, this page will appear on your screen. There's so many community posts in the discussion. And other people who come onto this forum are interested in learning about how to cook, right? For example, how to cook pancakes, and this is a huge market, it's a very huge demand from a lot of people, as you can see here, over 21 million views. And there's so many videos out there. So right now is your opportunity to take advantage of using this website, which is Shortener.com, and different viral videos from YouTube. So this is absolutely free, and you can share this video to other people. And the owner of this video, they're actually going to be happy, because you helped them to share the video and they get more views. And you can repeat the same thing on different videos. Just get a long link and then come back to the site to shorten it and then copy it. Finally, you can share it on different forums. Now, if you want to join this forum, just click on login button and then you can come up to this page. But still, you don't have any accounts, so you're gonna create one from register now button. The sign up process is very simple. Just put in your name, your birth date and your email. There's so many different forums, for example, the Cooking Bites forum. This is the same thing, where you can register for a free account. Now, as you can see here, the cooking community with 500 messages, and there's so many posts and discussion. And you're gonna get so many clicks to your link from a lot of people. They're gonna click on the short link and then they will go on and watch this video. And finally, you are gonna get paid. The registration process is same on almost every forum. Just go and implement this strategy. And if you want other methods to make money online, check the 2 videos on your screen right now. And make sure you subscribe to my channel with notification on. And I hope to see you in next videos.